So I had to dive in and ask you a question real quick. Let the people see what you're doing. Check them out, family. Woo. He on the MIG welding process right now. So just got a quick question. So you didn't dive from stick welding to Flux-Core welding. Now you're on regular MIG. In your personal opinion, which one is the easiest?
This one here. It's
Super easy. So tell us about it. Tell us about this. So from you doing the stick, the Flux-Core to this, tell me how you feel about this process versus you learning all, you know, the hardest part first.
I mean, this is, it's the easiest by far as making it look like this. You know, it's easy to get it how you want it to get it. You can manipulate it very well. It doesn't act a fool. It's really easy. It's like, I don't know, man. It's like riding a tricycle.
Okay, so do you think it's that easy because you started off from the stick, Flux-Core to this? Or do you just think is overall, if you would have just dived in this, you think you would have got this quicker?
I wouldn't have got it right off the bat, I don't think. I think the fact that I actually did the stick and then went to the MIG and then came over to this, it helped. It helped a whole lot. I know exactly what I'm looking for. I know exactly how I want to manipulate the puddle. I already know what I'm looking for as far as inconsistencies or anything like that. So it just made this process, like I said, my first time doing this.
Yeah, so like today is his first day ever touching the MIG. So it's actually easier once you start from the hardest to the medium level and then save this at the bottom. And like you say, you consider it like, man, I'm riding tricycle. I'm supposed to be on a moped or I'm supposed to be on a 650 right now. He said, but this right here, so, you know, I like to tell people learning this process is an easy process, but you will master it if you start from the top and go down to it, because then, like you say, you can be able to see the variables and what you're looking for and what to look out for and how to watch everything. So for those who coming into the program, do you think this program is beneficial within the 16 weeks that, you know, it actually been in process?
Yes, especially compared to the normal course time being like 6 months. Yes, you get a lot out of this 16 weeks, a whole lot.
A whole lot.
You know, if you can't find a job welding after taking this course, then you're really just not applying yourself and you really don't want to weld. I mean,
what
you know,
he
be
said.
honest with yourself.
I'm not even gonna say nothing else, family. Y'all be blessed. How gone?